Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate your OnePay debit card. If you have received your physical OnePay debit card, you can activate it in just a few minutes directly from the app. First, open the OnePay mobile app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are signed in, go to the Home tab or Banking tab, depending on your app version. Look for the card icon and tap on it to open your card details. Next, confirm that you have received your card. You may see an option such as Details followed by Activate Card. Tap the activation option to continue. You will now be asked to enter the information printed on your physical card. Carefully type in the 16-digit card number, then enter the card's expiration date. After that, enter the CVV or CVC security code found on the card. Once you are sure the information is correct, tap the button to submit your details. The app will verify the information and instantly activate your debit card. Thanks for watching.